Yeah, AC noises, any kind of growling or loud noise you can hear from inside the house, let's say metal on metal or a grinding noise, those are all going to be very bad. Some of the older ACs, they had a clunk when they started up or a clunk when they shut down. That was fairly common. There's not a whole lot you can do about that. But once the AC is up and running, a constant hum, the fan motor should be running smooth. So if you hear any sort of banging noise from the outdoor unit that's consistently banging, sometimes there's a stick stuck in the top of the grill, and it's just the stick is touching the fan blade as it spins around, and you will hear that and it will sound horrible. So just go outside. You need to check your outdoor unit, make sure there's no sticks hanging down in it. Maybe feel the Freon lines, make sure everything's running and there's not a big growling noise coming from anywhere.